finally back and I'm ready to take these twists out of my hair. As you guys can see, I'm all dolled up now. Like, look at these lashes. Like, okay sis, period. So if you guys are interested to know where I got these lashes from, I will put it right here somewhere, also in the description box below. Feel free to go get you some if you want. These are kind of like a more dramatic look, you know, when you're trying to be all bad and bougie. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take these twists out now. But first I want to say I did keep them in my hair for like a week, you guys. Like, it has literally been a week, which is so sad, but I did not expect to keep it in for this long. But yeah, we're gonna take them out now. The roots are a bit frizzy, I'm not even gonna lie. My hair was growing with the hair growth oil that I put in my hair. Like, it's getting frizzy, so I'm just gonna take it out now. Like, it's time to take it out. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put more of the oil in my hair. I'm just gonna rub it in my hand and just like put it on the outer layer of my hair like that. This oil smells so good. And then now I'm gonna put my hair up so I can work on the back section first. So I'm gonna start off with this one, making sure that my hand is still moisturized. And then I'm just gonna start at the end. And just like unravel it. I do not want to mess up the curl pattern, so that's why I'm just like doing it like this, and it might take some time. Beautiful. Woo! Y'all see that? Like, this is so cute. And I'm just gonna go ahead now and separate it so that I won't miss anything if I just do everything first. I don't want to separate them too small, so that's enough. I'm just gonna like naturally separate it. There you have it. Start at the bottom. And if you guys don't want to separate your curls, you do not have to. But just for volume, it's suggested that you do. Okay, I didn't separate that one from the bottom, but it still came out pretty good, and it's still super bouncy and just wow. So this is a difference between like separated and not separated. And to naturally separate it, just like start at the root and come down, and like your thumb will like naturally make some separations. So yeah, there you have it. That's the back. That's the back so far. And I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing. You could just do it like this too and take it out. Okay guys, this is the finishing look. As you guys can see, I really super like 100% love the results. It turned out really beautiful. My lashes are coming off, but anyways, I really love the results. Like, this looks like someone's natural curl pattern right now. Like, I have someone's curl pattern right now and I'm rocking it. Nah, but all jokes aside, this twist out turned out really bomb. So if you guys want to have a bomb twist out like this, just follow my technique. And yeah,
I say, whoa, get this nigga, man. I say,
it's looking pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this video. So if you made it to the end of this video, I love you so much. please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and shout out to you because you made it to the end of this video. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.